Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw money from Cryptomania to PayPal, even though there's no direct PayPal option inside the app, so let's jump right into it. So first thing first, Cryptomania does not support PayPal withdrawals directly. That means there's no PayPal button, no PayPal connection, nothing like that. But don't worry, there's a workaround that actually works. Withdraw your earning from Cryptomania to crypto wallet like Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or Binance. Just follow the in-app instructions to send your balance to your wallet address. Next, log into your wallet and convert that crypto to your local currency, like dollars or euros on Coinbase or Binance. Just use the sale features and transfer it to your balance. Now for the last step, head over to a peer-to-peer exchange like Paxful, local bitcoins, or Remitano. These platforms let you sell crypto to and get paid directly to your PayPal account. Just find a trusted buyer offering PayPal, complete the trade, and boom, your Cryptomania money is now in your PayPal account. Always choose buyers with good ratings, verify their identity if possible, and double check the PayPal email before sending anything. Also be aware of any transaction fees, and there you go. That's how to withdraw money from Cryptomania to PayPal even without a direct option. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions.